Good morning. There's a simple way to help cold stomach, the natural way to heal the acid reflux without any pill. That means every morning, see we can make a warm soup, okay? It's 1 cup of rice. You can use white rice or brown rice. 1 cup of rice with 8 cups of water, same cup. Okay, that's how you measure. This is called 8-ounce cup. But this part of rice you can use for three people in one family. But if you use white rice, you need cook just 30 minutes. If you use brown rice, you need cook longer, cooking for 1 hour. You bring to boil, then simmer down. Also, you cut 1 ginger, fresh ginger slice, about 1 ounce ginger. But the ginger you can put into last 5 minutes. Then when you're done, it can use as a breakfast. This is warm your stomach and help your body healing. It's amazing. Food is medicine. If you take time, cook yourself and figure it out, see it's not makes sense to take an acid blocker every day, lifetime. Even this day, I saw baby take an acid reflux medicine. But remember, your stomach cold already. Your stomach just like a rock. Your stomach need to cook, digestion food need to be warm. Warm is like your muscle warm, can move, can digest. But if you can put too much ice, too much salad to your stomach, and you have no more heat in the stomach, you cannot digest no more. Then what happens? You have to change your diet. If your stomach too hot, then you need eat salad. You need drink ice water. You need drink juice to cool down. But your stomach is too cold already. This is common sense. But common sense for modern people is not common because American Ron Duncan, they marketing raw food and marketing juice to everybody. But everyone is different. Remember, who am I? Is number one important question in your life. Who am I? Then you know what you need to eat, what make you feel better. Then it's observation yourself. No one else can do that for you. Instead, you go to a doctor, they tell you to take a pill forever. If you feel your stomach is hot, you need to cool down. Your stomach is cold, you need to warm it up. How can you warm up? Simple way is to make a rice soup with ginger. That's how we eat rice soup every day in China for 3,000 years in history. But right now, the famous doctor in China tell everybody to drink milk. That's why all these Chinese people right now in China have to take a prescription acid blocker. That's American drug company run in China right now. But we don't have Dunkin' Donut, but we have this something else running. But it's no taste, just water and ginger, but no taste. In the rice, what you can eat with? You can eat with a kimchi, but I make my own pickle here, daikon pickle. This daikon pickle, I ate for 10 years, become medicine, help people with stomach flu or upset stomach too. Or we can make, in my hometown, make master green pickle. We can use just only sea salt and one of my video talking about how to make pickle, either daikon pickle or mustard green. You make yourself. If you buy from supermarket, what happens? You put preservative, but the food is medicine. Remember, even 2,000 years ago, our father of medicine, Western medicine, it say the same thing too. Go back to 2,000 years. Say let food us as medicine. But today, the modern people, because they get a new program, they forgot about food. That's why everybody take pill forever. See, this take care of stomach problem, so simple. But for you, you don't know how to make this pickle yourself, daikon pickle. You can buy a kimchi, but make sure your kimchi is good quality. Buy organic one, no preservative. Kimchi also help your digestion system too. Kimchi get you a little bit spice, a little bit can eat with your rice soup. Okay? Have a good day.